Hello and welcome to cryptoTV. I am your news host Parvati Nirban and let's get into the world of crypto with English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Indian regulator SEBI may not approve Metaverse funds. Elon Musk refuses to join Twitter board. Dogecoin takes 7.5% hit. Crypto trading volumes in India fall 40 to 70% in 10 days after new taxes. Bitcoin falls to near 3-week low on global uncertainties. Metaverse tokens crash following SEC Meta ruling. Italian soccer club AC Milan launches NFT collection. Over 20 Bitcoin ATMs installed daily in March. Coinbase halts UPI payments facility in India 3 days after launch. Asset managers in India have proposed to launch funds solely comprising of investment related to blockchain, metaverse and Internet of Things, also called Metaverse funds. But market regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India may not give its approval yet. If any fund has an underlying which is not recognized as a security under the SEBI Act, the regulator will not clear it. Since the funds will be open for retail investors, SEBI cannot allow investments into unregulated assets. Recently, Navi Mutual Fund proposed a Metaverse ETF fund of fund which will invest in foreign ETFs with exposure to companies involved in the metaverse. A similar proposal was placed by Aditya Birla's blockchain and virtual digital assets, which will focus on global ETFs looking at the blockchain technology. SEBI hasn't issued any official comment on the matter. The Metaverse fund proposals are under market regulators' consideration. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who recently bought large stake in Twitter, has decided not to join the social media company's board. Less than a week ago, the CEO of Twitter, Paras Agarwal, announced Elon Musk's 9.2% ownership of Twitter and also announced that Musk would be joining the board of directors. However, today Agarwal, in a note to the company and the Twitter community, announced that Musk would not be joining the board. The reason behind this decision was not revealed. However, Paras Agarwal has stated that the company will always remain open to his input. Elon's favorite Dogecoin did not react well to the refusal to join the Twitter board. Doge is currently trading at $0.1411, down by 7.5% since the news of Musk's refusal to join Twitter board surfaced. Crypto trading volume across major cryptocurrency exchanges have tumbled since India ushered in a new set of tax levied on income earned from trading or gains booked on digital assets, reports said. According to reports, cryptocurrency exchange WazirX witnessed a 72% drop in trading volume since April 1 through April 10, while ZepPay saw its trading volume tumble 59% and CoinDCX volume falling by 52%. BitBNS trading volume slipped by 41% during the past 10 days. Indians will now have to pay a 30% tax on income earned from trading crypto assets starting April 1. Investors and traders will also have to pay a 1% TDX or tax deducted at source on payments towards virtual currencies beyond Rs 10,000 in a year and taxation of such gifts in hands of the recipient. However, the provisions related to 1% TDS will come into effect from July 1, 2022. Bitcoin led a drop among cryptocurrencies as rising economic and political uncertainties weighed on investors' mind, forcing them to seek shelter in safe haven assets such as US dollar. The anticipated spate of rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, the world's leading central bank, in the year is forcing investors to seek refuge in dollar, hurting prospects of companies which earn a major chunk of revenue from exports. Analysts widely expect the Federal Reserve to hike rates by 50 basis points in its May and June meetings. The ongoing Russian onslaught on Ukraine has disrupted global supply chains, pushing up major commodity prices ranging from energy, metals to agriculture. Data showed as much as $350 million worth of open crypto positions were liquidated in the past 24 hours, of which $240 million was in the past 12 hours. Among the cryptocurrencies, $66 million worth of Bitcoin and $63 million worth of Ether positions were liquidated in the past 12 hours. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was recently trading around $41,100, down over 3% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $3,000, down nearly 6% in similar time frame. Most other major altcoins too tumbled, with Solana, Terra's Luna token and Cardano tumbling by over 7%. The US Securities and Exchange Commission ruled on Friday that Meta must hold a shareholder vote on a proposal that calls into question the social network's license to operate an emerging technology like the Metaverse. Meta initially tried to stop the proposal, which calls for a third-party assessment of potential psychological, civil and human rights risk from Meta's planned virtual space. However, the company now says that the proposal will be voted on at its annual shareholder meeting in May. The vote will let shareholders decide if it's prudent or appropriate for Meta to build a virtual world. As expected, the value of top Metaverse tokens, including Decentraland Mana and the Sandbox Sand, took a sharp dive following the Meta news, which prices dropped 16.3% and 17.3% respectively. ApeCoin's price was also badly impacted with the 16% decline. Axie Infinity is still struggling to recover from last month's $625 million hack and was the worst performer of the group, declined by almost 25%. Italian professional soccer club AC Milan will be releasing its first ever non-fungible token project in collaboration with BitMax crypto exchange. Proceeds will go to Fondazione Milan, the club's charity arm specifically towards the ongoing crisis in Ukraine, and a UNICEF project in South Sudan. The limited edition collection will feature 75,817 NFTs, a number representative of the capacity of the club's home ground, San Siro Stadium. It will depict a 3D image of a jersey found in South Sudan by Danish war photographer Jan Garup, who was in the country documenting widespread flooding last December. BitMax partnered with AC Milan to contribute to the project by providing trading discounts and other benefits to the first 10,000 pre-orders. BitMax will also donate to Fondazione Milan by purchasing a large number of the NFTs. Amid rising crypto adoption around the globe, data showed that as many as 686 Bitcoin ATMs were installed in March 2022. The installation helped boost the total number of globally installed automated Bitcoin dispensing machines to 36,709 as on April 1st from 36,023 on March 1st, data showed. This means that an average of 22 Bitcoin ATMs were added daily in March alone. According to reports, the total number of crypto ATMs around the world stood at 36,733 as of April 11th. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates of crypto world, don't forget to watch English News Bulletin twice a day only on cryptoTV. I'm your news host Parvati Nirvan, signing off for now. See you very soon and have a wonderful time.